Today's discussion on understanding macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fats. Whether you're new to nutrition or looking to deepen your knowledge, this overview will explore the essential roles these macronutrients play in our diet. Protein fuels muscle growth and repair, while carbohydrates provide energy for daily activities. Meanwhile, fats are crucial for hormone regulation and nutrient absorption. Join us as we uncover how balancing these macronutrients can optimize your health and well-being. Let's dive into the world of nutrition and unlock the secrets of a balanced diet. Today, we will talk about understanding macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fats. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Nutrition is the cornerstone of health, and macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats are the essential components of our diet that provide energy and fulfill numerous physiological roles. Understanding these macronutrients, their sources, functions, and optimal intake levels is crucial for making informed dietary choices and promoting overall well-being. Protein, the building blocks of life. Protein is integral to nearly every function of the body, serving as the building blocks for tissues, enzymes, hormones, and immune system components. Chemically, proteins are composed of amino acids, of which there are 20 types, 9 of which are essential, meaning they must be obtained from the diet. Functions of protein. Muscle structure and function. Protein is essential for the growth, repair, and maintenance of skeletal muscles. Muscle fibers are primarily made up of proteins such as actin and myosin, which contract and relax to enable movement. Enzymes and hormones. Many enzymes that facilitate biochemical reactions in the body are proteins. For instance, digestive enzymes like amylase and lipase break down carbohydrates and fats respectively. Hormones like insulin and glucagon, crucial for regulating blood sugar levels, are also protein-based. Immune system support. Antibodies, which are critical components of the immune system responsible for recognizing and neutralizing pathogens, are proteins. Transport and storage. Proteins transport substances such as oxygen, hemoglobin in red blood cells, lipids, lipoproteins, and vitamins throughout the body. Sources of protein. Animal sources: meat, beef, poultry, pork, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Milk, cheese, yogurt are rich sources of complete proteins, containing all essential amino acids in adequate proportions. Plant sources: legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, nuts, seeds, and grains, quinoa or buckwheat, provide protein but may lack one or more essential amino acids. Combining different plant protein sources can ensure a complete amino acid profile. Protein requirements. The recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for protein varies based on age, sex, activity level, and overall health status. Generally, adults should aim for 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Athletes, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and individuals recovering from illness or injury may require higher amounts. Carbohydrates. Fuel for energy, and more carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source, providing fuel for cellular functions, brain activity, and physical exertion. Chemically, carbohydrates are composed of sugars, starches, and fiber. Functions of carbohydrates. Energy production. Glucose, derived from carbohydrates, is the preferred energy source for the brain, central nervous system, and muscles. Carbohydrates are quickly converted into glucose to fuel immediate energy needs. Glycogen storage. Excess glucose is stored in the liver and muscles as glycogen, which can be quickly mobilized to meet energy demands during periods of fasting or physical activity. Fiber for digestive health. Dietary fiber, a type of carbohydrate found in plant foods, promotes digestive health by adding bulk to stool, regulating bowel movements, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Blood sugar regulation. Complex carbohydrates, particularly those with fiber content, help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Sources of carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates, found in fruits, fructose, and dairy products. Lactose. Simple carbohydrates provide quick energy due to their rapid digestion and absorption. Complex carbohydrates, whole grains, brown rice, oats, legumes, beans, lentils, starchy vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and fiber-rich foods, vegetables, fruits with skins, are sources of complex carbohydrates. These foods provide sustained energy, along with additional nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Functions of fats. Energy storage and utilization. Fats are the most concentrated source of energy, providing more than twice the energy of carbohydrates and proteins per gram. Adipose tissue, body fat, serves as a reservoir for storing excess energy. Cell structure and function. Fats are crucial components of cell membranes, contributing to cell integrity and facilitating cellular communication. Hormone production. Fats are precursors to steroid hormones, estrogen, testosterone, and help regulate numerous physiological processes, including reproductive function and stress response. Types of dietary fats. Saturated fats, found primarily in animal products, meat, dairy, and some plant oils, coconut oil, palm oil. Saturated fats are solid at room temperature. High intake of saturated fats has been associated with increased LDL cholesterol levels and cardiovascular disease risk. Monounsaturated fats, found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, almonds, peanuts, and seeds, sesame seeds. Monounsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature. They have been linked to improved heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol levels. Fat requirements. Dietary guidelines recommend that fats should constitute 20 to 35% of total daily calories. The emphasis should be on consuming unsaturated fats, both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated, while limiting saturated and trans fats for optimal health. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, are important for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Including sources of omega-3s in the diet, such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, is beneficial. Understanding macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats is essential for making informed dietary choices that support optimal health and well-being. By incorporating a balanced mix of these macronutrients into our daily diet, we can ensure adequate energy, promote muscle growth and repair, regulate metabolic functions, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.